Don't give Grandma that face.
Oh, that's nice. Whoa, where are you? You're upside down. I'm having a hard time getting the focus here. Oh, are you sleepy? Oh, now roll over and see Mommy. Oh, go find Gus. Hi, Miles.
Can you pose with Gus?
Wrestle him down. You can get him.
Hey. I'm gonna get you. Hey. Boo 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 boo. Miles. You wanna play heads? You gonna play heads? No, you can't grab Mommy's hair. That's cheating. You're going the wrong way.